Hi friends, thanks so much for watching. Welcome to part 2 of my Christmas decorating series. Today I will be decorating my kitchen, my office, my dining room, and my foyer. I hope that this gives you some ideas and inspiration for your Christmas decor, and let's begin. So I am going to start in my kitchen, and the theme of my decor is definitely tons of neutral colors. I just cannot escape the neutrals. I love neutral colors, and I did end up adding some pops of red in my family room, which I carried a little bit into my kitchen, as you will see. I decided to hang garland above my kitchen sink, and I'm securing it with 2 command strip hooks, one on either side of the window, and I love command strip hooks. It definitely beats having holes in the wall. But as much as I promised myself I would not buy another Christmas decor item this year, I ended up going back on my word. I found this beautiful garland at HomeGoods. It's 9 feet long, and honestly it looks so real, and for the price I could not pass it up. And garland is a good staple to have in your Christmas decor, especially a good quality garland, which I am definitely lacking. So I did end up picking up this one and 2 other garland pieces that you will see later in the video. I love these adorable Christmas trees. They are just the cutest thing, and they're so versatile. You can use them anywhere in your house, but these I got from Michael's, I think it was last year. But I'm so surprised how much Christmas decor Michael's carries. In fact, I was in there this week, picked up a couple garland pieces, and had to seriously refrain from buying anything else. I was so tempted. So if you're looking for Christmas decor to add to your collection, check out Michael's. You'll be impressed with what they carry. But I get a lot of questions about this marble tray next to my sink, and that I picked up from HomeGoods couple years ago, but there are many similar trays on Amazon, and I will link one down in the description box. I wanted to keep things very minimal on my Christmas island. For fall, I had a large vase on it for the longest time, and I just kind of got annoyed with how it was obstructing my view whenever I was having conversations with my husband or my kids. So I wanted something more minimal. So I'm just simply decorating this tray with bulbs, and if you are looking for a simple and cheap way to decorate, just take Christmas bulbs you have on hand and put them in bowls or vases or trays. As you see here, there are so many ways you can decorate with Christmas bulbs. To decorate my table, again, I'm keeping things very minimal, and I'm just swapping out the moss balls I have in this tray with candles I already had on hand, and these are battery operated, so they do light up, which I absolutely love. And to add a little more interest to it and just seems more fitting for the season, I did add some pine cones, and I am just so happy with how this turned out. I think this is the first time I've decorated with candles like this, and I love it. But I was going to just leave the tray without a table runner, but you'll see later on I decided to go ahead and add a table runner. These faux fur wreaths I got from Target years ago, and I love them. I've been decorating my house with them every Christmas since I bought them. I have 2 others that I got from Pier 1 a while back in my family room, so it's all coordinated, but I just love white Christmas decor. 'Cause it's Christmas time. Christmas time. onto my dining room. As you see here, I've already pulled out all of my decor I plan to use. I love doing that. It just helps to better visualize what decor pieces I want to use. I'm going to stick with a neutral color palette for this space, so a lot of golds, silvers, and whites, which are my absolute favorite colors to decorate with for Christmas. But I decided to start with the Hutch, and I'm using some bottle brush trees. I am so obsessed with bottle brush trees, and I've slowly been adding to my collection, but I was a little torn whether I should decorate with the trees and this glass tray, and ultimately I decided to move the glass tray to my kitchen and just have the trees on the Hutch, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I just love bottle brush trees. You can get them in so many colors. They're so versatile in decor. You can decorate trays with them. You can put them on side tables or even on shelves. To decorate the table, I'm using garland that I picked up recently from Michael's. It's so pretty, and I just like the lifelike look to it. Unfortunately, though, it does shed pretty badly, so that is the trade-off. But I'm going to spread the garland down the length of the table, and then I'm going to add some candle holders and candlesticks. The candle holders are from Kirkland's. I got them from my mom actually last year. And I am also going to add little glass votives that you will see. I did not have votive candles, unfortunately, on hand, so I do need to pick up some little either tea lights or little short candles to put in those little glass votives. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. And if you are still watching at this point, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, I guess I should introduce myself a little. My name is Kathleen, and I am a mom of 3, and I make videos all about home decorating, cleaning videos, and lifestyle videos in general. So if that interests you, I hope you'll consider subscribing and join this wonderful community. I would love to have you. I decided to put a tree in this corner, and this tree is from Sam's Club several years ago. I want to say probably 4 years ago actually. It is a pre-lit tree, and I love how the branches are already in place. You don't have to like fluff the branches, although I see a bare spot there. One of the branches got hung up in one of the other branches, but this is such a minimalistic tree, little maintenance I should say. And as far as decorating, I just wanted to go very simple. I didn't want to add ribbon and just didn't want to go over the top. So I'm just simply adding some gold Christmas ornaments that I already have on hand. to my foyer and I'm simply hanging a wreath on the mirror, and the wreath I got from Target recently. I absolutely love this wreath. It's so festive and yet still on the minimal side. So I'm hanging it with a suction cup hook. And then for the tabletop, I'm going to use the same garland that I used on my dining room table. That's from Michael's. And I had to play around with the candlesticks on the table. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with just this vase or did I want to use these silver candlesticks. But ultimately, as you're going to see here, I decided to go with some larger candle votives, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Last but not least, I'm going to decorate my office, and again, keeping things on the minimal side here, I'm going to put a tree to the right of the piano and just a couple other small festive touches. Here is another idea, another way that you can decorate with Christmas bulbs. Create an ornament garland. And this is so affordable because you can use ornaments that you already have on hand. But in case you missed my last video, I did show how I created this ornament garland. So if you'd like to check that out, I will link it up above. And to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. Born is the King. Born is the King. Born is the King of Israel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I hope that you gained some inspiration and ideas for your Christmas decor. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Take care.